Good afternoon. Yes, thank you, Miss Starlet. I believe you know my cousin Melody.
Yes, of course I do. Come in this way. Daphne, darling, why don't you just go stay in the parlor and I'll join you directly, huh?
Oh, what about Melody?
Don't worry about Melody. I'll take care of that twit. Hello, Melody. Thanks, darling. How sweet of you. How kind of you to invite me. Yeah, I know, but come on in anyway. I'm going to tell you how very much I admire you, and I certainly hope someday we can be as close as sisters. In the meantime, Melody, why don't you go stick your head in the punch bowl, and I'm sure if you used a little bit more sugar. I got something to tell you.
Well, I have something.
No. Let me tell you mine first, and you can tell me yours. Oh, Bradley, I love you. I really do love you. Now, what was it you wanted to tell me, darling?
Well, I wish you said that sooner. This is not going to be easy.
Oh, Bradley, I love you.
Well, I'm married to Melody this afternoon.
I hate you. How could you do that to me? How could you?
Well, it wasn't.
Get out. I never want to see you again. Get out of my sight forever.
Boy, I made it there. I thought she's going to be mad.
Oh,
Come on, Melody.
I can spit.
Lady, you're liable to bust a stay.
Sir, just let your presence be known. Just who are you and how did you get in here?
I'm Rat's butler by way of a streetcar named Desire.